Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. On my third day, I want to go to the north because most of the south places I checked out. In the north, I heard a lot of beautiful beaches are there. So on my third day, I hired one person to drive me around to check it out the north areas. We start our trip on 8 o'clock in the morning. As usual, it is a sunny day and beautiful sceneries on the way. Along the way, we have quite some surprise you will see in a minute. It is a beautiful day. We are riding almost like around 60 to 70 km speed. And we saw the Fiesta. We are surprised by this performance in Del Carmen. We are surprised by this event. This is bonus for me. I feel like I'm very lucky. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. So I stopped my vehicle to film them off. This is my first time taking any video in public on the road. Since I'm video logging, I don't care right now. You have a dancers, you have a musician, you have a drummer, a lot of young talented boys and girls are over here. The performance is very fantastic. They're really good in what they're doing. I'm really happy to pass by this area. The vibe over here very happy in the morning. Such a happy mood in the holiday. Looks like this is the final spot they come down. So this is the meeting place. Everything set up in the early morning. Open ceremony fiesta celebration. This place is very alive. Morning 8 o'clock, all the locals are ready for the fiesta ceremony, which looks good. Everybody ready for the celebration and participating in the celebration. That is very good. Lucky I'm on the way, on the right time and right places. It is a very good start. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome.